Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Ashley, and today I have a special guest, Celestini from JCLUXURYLASHES.
Hey guys!
Hey! So, today we have a really fun video planned. We are going to be doing the 10-minute challenge. So that means that we're going to try to do a look in 10 minutes, and there's no skipping out. It has to be full glam. And part of me is kind of nervous about actually doing this successfully, because if I do, my boyfriend will never tell me that I need more than 10 minutes. So...
My name is Celestini. I am the owner and creator of JCLUXURYLASHES, and I'm so excited to do this full glam with Ashley here. She's going to be using the Ariana lash, and I'm going to be using the Mariah lash.
So for the last probably 10 videos, you guys have seen me use these lashes. I'm very excited about this, and the cool part is JC actually stands for her dogs.
Yes, and he's around here somewhere.
What's a J? The J's are...
J is for Jumbo. So Jumbo was my first dog. He passed away about 3 years ago, and Coco is my current dog, and they're brothers. And there's actually an old 90s song called Coco Jumbo, and that's why I named them Coco and Jumbo, so it fit. So yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna get a timer. I just realized my phone is over here.
Oh, we're getting serious. We're timing.
Yes, we're
timing.
Okay. So we're gonna set 10 minutes. You guys are gonna see a timer in one of the corners here. I'm not gonna show the full 10 minutes because that might be long, but I'm not gonna skip anything, so it's gonna be fast forwarded or regular time. Also, we have not rehearsed this.
No.
And I don't even know what look I'm going for, to be honest.
And I'm not even a makeup artist, so this is
new territory.
Yes. But we're excited, so yay!
Yeah, that's all that matters. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm using Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer first, so yeah.
And I am going to use this Olay Hendrickson facial water, and it really just brightens my face up, so I like to just spray some of it on.
Is it like toner kind of, or?
Yeah, I think so, and it's just, I feel like it gets my skin ready for all the makeup that I'm going to put on.
Yeah, I'm the type of person that doesn't like to buy makeup until I finish what I have. Right. But there's so much that I want to try, and then I forget about it, and then later on I'm like, oh yeah, I wanted to try that. But then I already bought something else, and I have to finish that.
Yeah.
Like, it's an endless cycle.
It's an endless cycle, yeah, of trying new makeup. And now I'm going to do my foundation, and I always mix sunscreen in my foundation. Just because I think that it makes it a bit lighter. It almost turns it into like a BB cream. Oh, cool. So that's what I do. I don't know if that's correct, but that's what I do.
So I'm using my favorite foundation, Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15. This one has SPF in it, but it's nowhere like a BB cream at all. It's pretty high coverage, which I like about it because, as you guys can see, I am breaking out a little bit. So, yeah. Do you like to use a brush for your foundation?
I use this little beauty blender, but I usually just like put it on with my fingers.
Oh.
My method is totally unconventional. It's like just something that I do.
Yeah.
Probably.
Well, that's what I find.
But it works,
it is, yeah. Because I used to model, and I just like got techniques from the makeup artists. Yeah. And then just stuck with what I was comfortable with.
Exactly. It's whatever works for you, right?
Yeah. That's what makeup is all about.
And everybody's skin is different and stuff like that. So for me, like, I like the lightweight coverage. So that's why I mix my sunscreen in. And I use this Kat Von D Lock-It stuff, so it's pretty thick.
Yeah. You used to use the Fenty foundation?
Yeah. How did you like that?
I really liked it, and it's very lightweight. It's kind of actually like translucent. So, like, I would say it's for someone that has already nice skin and make it a little more perfect.
I did try it, but I found that it dried my skin out a bit.
Is your skin oily?
It's like combination skin.
Oh, okay, yeah. I like the way that it finished because my skin is like extra oily.
Oh, so yeah, it works for you.
Yeah.
Again, yeah, every product is different.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's 4
6
minutes.
Oh my god, I've only done I've only done
like do. No.
Okay, We have 6 minutes and 30 seconds left. I've only done one step.
Me too.
Okay, concealer. I don't know if I want to bake, but I kind of want to because this is a full glam look.
I'm starting to panic now.
Me too. I can't believe it takes 4 minutes to put on foundation. Yeah. Okay. I should stop talking. I feel like I'm gonna start sweating.
I'm starting to shake. Oh no.
But you know what? If we don't get this done, that's, you know what?
Then we can tell our spouses and significant others, hey, it does take more than 10 minutes.
Exactly. I think the fastest I've ever done a full glam face is actually like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna bake. I know that it's something that you gotta do when you have time, but I'm just gonna do it because I want to. So I'm using the Beverly Luxury Banana Powder, and oh yeah, I used the Kat Von D concealer that just now also. Oh my god, 5 minutes.
That's like half our time.
Yeah, I've done like nothing.
Now I'm like, what am I supposed to do?
Yeah, it gets overwhelming.
I'm panicking now.
Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I'm just gonna let this bake. And then it's like I've forgotten how to do like my makeup.
Yeah, me too. So I really want to highlight how easy it is to put these on. That literally took me 2 seconds. And now the other one.
Yeah, I really love her lashes. They're probably the best lashes I've ever used. And the band is just perfect, I feel.
Yeah,
like.
it just really conforms to your eye, and I used to be one of those people that did not know how to put strip lashes on. But it's like, it's not me, it's the product, and now that I have a good product, it's so easy.
Yeah, I saw that video that Shauna did, and the way that the eyebrows kind of done, they're kind of like, not the nicest, but whatever. Now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel.
Okay. I'm doing my eyebrows too now, and I'm using this Ardell Brow Wiz thing. I don't even know the correct name. I'm sorry.
It's okay. So now I'm going to use the sultry Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I actually won this on Instagram.
Ooh.
So I've never used this in a video yet, but I'm just going to do a nice, like, subtle, smoky kind of eye. I only have we have 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Oh my god.
So I'm just going to do, like, a very simple look. I didn't even put on any eyeshadow primer, but whatever.
Do you find that you need to line your lashes? Like,
okay, stop recording for like 5 seconds because I caught it right away, so you guys did not miss anything and we didn't cheat or anything.
No.
Yeah.
We're still panicking.
Yeah.
So we're not cheating.
There's 38 seconds.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put on the lashes and call it a day. This is nowhere near a full glam look. I still have my baking powder on. Oh shit. I got 1 lash on. Okay, well, so we totally failed the 10-minute challenge. We'll just continue the look.
You got 1 lash on?
I got 1 lash on. The thing is that I just put the glue on, so it's not tacky yet. I just tried to get them on. It's still too wet.
Yeah, I think we should continue.
Yeah, we'll continue, and we can actually make this a look. Okay, I'll go back to the lashes. Cause I usually put the lashes on last because it's like the last step, and I just wanted to get that done if I could finish this in 10 minutes. But so you always put the lashes like midway?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm weird like that. I don't know. It makes sense to me. So I always put my lashes on like when I'm doing my eyes. So I put my foundation on, and then I do my eyes, and then I do the concealer, and then the contour, and yeah.
I always put my lashes last because I just feel like
most people, I feel like most makeup artists do.
Yeah.
Which makes sense, but I'm one of those people that doesn't make sense.
Yeah, I was like, whatever works for you, so. Okay, last night I found myself actually watching makeup videos, and then I got to watching videos about cheating boyfriends by those makeup artists, and then I got to videos that were like pretty much world star-ish videos, and I was like, how did I end up over here? Like,
you just went down that wormhole.
Yeah, I went to the dark side of the internet. Okay, wait, do you watch 90 Day Fiance?
Yes!
You watch 90 Day Fiance?
Yeah. Oh my god, do you see that guy Pedro and that girl?
Chantel. Oh my god!
I don't even know what's gonna happen this week. I'm like,
I find it so hard to find someone else that watches that show. So she's now gonna get DMs from me.
I stumbled upon it just this last week, and it's like they play like 3 episodes per night, and I literally, like, my husband came home and he's like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "Shh, I'm watching this."
Okay, wait, you just watched the like recent people, right?
Yes, yeah. I seen like a reunion show, and I'm not sure what their names are and things like that yet, but the only names that I know right now are Chantel and Pedro, because that was the one that I was watching most recently. Oh my god, his mother and sister are crazy.
Oh yeah.
But I mean, I don't really like him either, so...
No, I think that he's using her.
I think he's definitely using her.
Have you seen Larissa and Colty?
No.
Oh, they're my favorite.
Yeah?
I love Larissa. She's from Brazil, and she's just like firecracker, and the guy is an asshole. You'll see. Nobody I know watches it.
It's so juicy. It's like a guilty pleasure.
Yeah, exactly.
So as you can see, I just literally use my fingers most of the time. This is a good way to compare because I'm like a regular person trying to do my makeup.
I'm a regular person too. Yeah, so I just started doing makeup 2 years ago when I was laid off from my job.
Wow.
So I was at home applying for jobs, and then I'd run out of jobs to apply for, so I was just like,
that's amazing.
put on makeup.
Did you teach yourself?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so I did a makeup video one time without watching any.
Yeah.
And then I was kind of looking at my makeup like, oh, this is not as good as it could be, so I just watched like a million YouTubers.
And just got better and got better. That's amazing.
Exactly.
That's an amazing way to learn.
Yeah. And I used to only be about Drugstore, which is like totally fine. Like I still use Drugstore right now. But I actually do find it lasts longer.
Of course, yeah, and it's better for your skin, like especially things like foundation and things like that, right?
Yeah.
Stuff that goes directly on your skin. I still use like Drugstore brand mascara because
Voluminous is like a classic.
Yeah, it's classic, and I feel like I've tried other mascaras, but this is like it's the best still to me.
3 years.
And it's hypoallergenic, so it's good for people with allergies because I have a ton. I'm allergic to just about everything.
Oh, really?
I'm allergic to dust, feathers, my dog.
You're allergic to your dog?
Yeah.
So how do you deal with that?
I just keep sneezing.
Oh, okay. But do you still kiss her?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, I still, there's nothing I can do about that.
Yeah.
It's like, I'm not giving him away, I'm not doing anything. I will learn to live with it.
Did you find out after you had?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. I always use black glue.
I know, I just don't have the confidence to use black glue.
I love black glue. I find you need more confidence to use this glue because you have to actually believe it dries clear. And I'm just like skeptical, but I know it dries clear because I've seen a million people.
You're like, I don't trust you.
Yeah. I used to put on, well, sometimes I still do, I put on mascara first. But my friend, my best friend's sister's a makeup artist in Vancouver, and she was like, what are you doing? Like,
oh, like before you put the lashes on?
Yeah, she's like, your lashes will blend better if you put the mascara on after.
Oh. Okay. So I'm using my Lime Crime lip color. I'm obsessed with the matte still.
Oh, really?
I really am.
Yeah.
I find it so convenient to use. And I love Lime Crime. Have you tried any of their products?
No, I've seen them. Actually, a makeup artist used the Lime Crime lipstick on me. Like 3 or 4 years ago.
Yeah, and what did you think?
She did an ombre look, and it was really nice, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. I'm not using the primer this time because I have the false lashes on already, and also I find the primer kind of makes the eyelashes look a little clumpy. The glue is dry and clear, you guys, so
you can trust it.
Yeah, you can trust it. I'm just going to line my waterline with some L'Oreal Voluminous Smoldering Pencil Liner.
I'm just checking to see if I missed a step, but I think I'm done.
Do you have highlighter on?
Yeah. Does it look like I need more?
No, I didn't really look at you.
I'm obsessed with like the glowy look, especially like summertime.
Yeah.
So I like go extra hard on the highlighter.
Okay, so I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm going to do my face. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette. I always go kind of hard with the contour because I put my like face powder on top of it afterwards, and it like puts a filter over how harsh the contour is. We're the same color.
Yeah. If I was smart, I would have just like copied what you did. But
is it the same color as mine though? Yours is different color.
Mine's light to medium.
Oh, mine's medium to tan. We should probably switch.
I have. Yeah.
You probably should.
My sister told me to get this one.
Oh, okay. And then I'm going to use the Tarte Blush Bazaar palette. This is my favorite blush palette ever. It has enough blushes for like 30 years. Oh my gosh, yes it does.
Okay, the video that we're gonna do next time is me doing what you're doing and hopefully learn how to do makeup.
I'm gonna put on the Maybelline Fit Me powder real quick, and I'm nearly done my look.
I think part of the reason why I prefer to just do lashes is because I'm not good at doing makeup. So I'm like, do the lashes and then you're good to go.
I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Resi highlighter. This highlighter is bomb.
Oh my gosh.
I know, it's so pretty.
It looks so like...
It's like just a palette of like...
Yeah, gold.
Yeah, gold. I like to load it on because... Why not?
It's so pretty.
This one is my favorite, and also the Fenty. I have like 3 Fenty highlighters. And then I'm using the Urban Decay lipstick called Carnal in Comfort Matte. That was fuzz on my face. And then on top, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Lip Gloss. This is the original color. So,
that is so nice.
It's really soft.
Yeah.
Okay, and these are our final looks.
Yay. What do you want me to do?
Just like, we can just like look and like smile and like close our mouth and open it and turn.
I'm gonna like butcher it.
It's okay. This part is always really awkward.
I'm so awkward. I'm just gonna be like,
even though by myself, I'm like,
yeah.
And I'm like, yeah,
I've seen other people do it. I'm like, oh my god, how did they do that? But I'm like, I can't. I'm so awkward.
Well, it's kind of like a narcissistic part of the video where you're like, yeah. And this is how good it is. Okay, so this has been really fun.
Yes, I love your makeup, by the way. If you can do that, like, what did that take us? 25 minutes?
Yeah, it did.
That look in 25 minutes is amazing. Like, it's so professional. It looks so good. It's blended properly, and like your eyes look amazing. And I love that lip color. Yeah, I know that's. I mean, and it's not too much. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like, it's not like you could do that. Go like all day with that look and not be too much.
It's not harsh.
Yeah. Where I feel like mine is more like evening. Like this is usually what I'll do in the evening.
Thank you so much for being in my video.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. And we'll see you guys in another video.
Yes.